When it comes to supporting the NHS vaccine programme, the Queen has not hesitated to dispatch her family. Prince William was out this week at a vaccination centre in Norfolk. Last week, his father, Prince Charles, went with Camilla to new vaccine trials in Birmingham. And Sophie Wessex completed a shift today as a vaccination centre volunteer. Tonight, an intervention from the Queen herself on why she thinks each of us has a duty to accept the vaccine when it's offered.
It is obviously difficult for people to, if they've never had a vaccine, because they ought to think about other people rather than themselves.
Those words are highly unusual, as the Queen expresses a view normally through her actions rather than her words. But she and the Duke of Edinburgh have had their COVID vaccines in January, and now she's gone further by breaking her own rule and spoke in public about a personal medical matter.
Well, once you've had the vaccine, you have a feeling of, you're protected, which is, I think, very important. And as far as I can make out, it was quite harmless. And it was very quick. And I've had lots of letters from people who've been very surprised by how easy it was to get the vaccine. And the jab it didn't hurt at all.
It's a hugely positive intervention to have the Queen lend her voice to all of those people who've already come forward in a show of support, and indeed to encourage more people to come forward.
Hello, namaste, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum.
Last week, a vaccine campaign ran across all major broadcast networks.
Many in our community have suffered the most.
It was aimed at ethnic minority communities where the take-up of the vaccine has not been as high. Actor and presenter Adil Ray coordinated the campaign.
It's unprecedented. I can't remember a time when she's come out and spoke about a health matter like this in my lifetime. And I think it tells you how serious the situation is.
Is the Queen the right person to reach the communities that are not currently taking up the vaccine in the numbers that are required?
Yeah, I think, why not? I think we've all got to say something, and it's a multiple of voices that is going to make the difference here.
The staggering 18 million vaccinations is a national triumph for the NHS, and it has said the Queen reminded her of the national spirit in another period of crisis.
Well, having lived in the war, it's very much like that, when everybody had the same idea. And I think this has rather sort of inspired that, hasn't it?
Duty has always come first for the Queen, and on this, she felt a duty to speak out.